Good afternoon, my YouTube family. Today we are going to do the activity which name is the ending rhyming sound of at. So we will find the at house. First of all, we find the mat. Then I will find the hat. Then I will find the bat. Then also we will find the cat. Cat catch the rat. So we will find in the at house is mat, hat, bat, cat and rat. Allah Hafiz YouTube family and subscribe my channel.